Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver coming back with a Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. Today we're going to be going over the charts. We're going to be taking a look at an article here. Despite 12% crash, Bitcoin looks set to make highest monthly close ever. So we're going to definitely take a look at the monthly chart on Bitcoin, see what that's kind of telling us. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, if you are brand new to this channel, we go over the charts pretty much every single day. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, a lot of altcoins, gold and silver. We talk about trends in the markets as well too. And we're going over a few news articles today, or just this one news articles, and then going on into the charts. So definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video if you find it interesting. And let's go ahead and get started. So despite the sharp pullback last week, Bitcoin looks on track to post its highest ever monthly price close. The number one cryptocurrency by market value fell over $3,000 to $16,242 on November 22nd, clearing out excessive leverage from the derivatives market. The dip was short-lived and prices have recovered more than 50% of the pullback in the days since. So obviously, you know, a lot of these derivatives leverage exchanges are one-to-one contracts. They need the liquidity, so that's why there's big price moves like these sometimes too. And then also some news could affect the price as well too, but usually we can definitely go over the charts and determine sometimes when these pullbacks are going to happen too as well. At press time, Bitcoin plus 55% is trading around 18,600 on major exchanges. That's significantly higher from the peak month-end price of around 13,880 observed on December 31st. The impending record close be a harbinger of stronger bull run. According to some observers, every time Bitcoin has closed above the previous monthly all-time high, a 700% to 1,000% uptrend has followed. Crypto analyst John Rager tweeted earlier in the month. Market analyst Lark Davis shared a similar view on Monday. And so here we have a chart. Obviously, they're talking about once we pass our all-time high, and this is without the wicks. It looks like they cut off the wicks here. So we haven't technically wicked above our previous all-time high, which was quote unquote 20K. But you know, when we do, our monthly chart here definitely looks relatively bullish. So we'll go over that and see where maybe 700% to 1,000% could possibly be. Bitcoin jumped nearly 27% in April 2017, toppling the previous monthly close record of around 1,150 reached in November 2013. What followed was a steep rally to nearly 20,000 by December 2017. Strong rallies were seen after Bitcoin set record monthly closing prices in January and October 2013. Analysts are optimistic about the ongoing bull market longevity, with some pointing to 36,000 as a level to watch once the immediate psychological resistance of 20K is scaled. Factors considering responsibility for the recent 8-week rally of 10,000 to 19,400, such as increased institutional participation, hedge demand due to dollar sell-off, a potential rise in inflation, and the search for yield alongside a record global stockpile of negative yielding debt are expected to continue powering gains in the cryptocurrency. So, you know, the fact that we're having a lot of economical issues, crypto is definitely going to be one of those hedges to make these high yields, right? People have been saying institutions will get into crypto for years, but it seems that this year they already are. Crypto exchanges Equos noted in its daily Bitcoin analysis email, there's plenty more to join, of course, and the amount of funds along with the immutable scarcity of Bitcoin will be felt in a very strong way. According to JP Morgan analysis, further gains hinge mainly on continued institutional participation. It flows into Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust lane. The cryptocurrency could suffer in momentum traders keep backing away. Analysis wrote in November 27th note, adding that decreased flows would weaken the argument that institutions are being to prefer Bitcoin over gold as a long-term investment. Grayscale is part of digital currency group CoinDesk parent company. Bitcoin has outperformed gold by leaps and bounds this year, while the top cryptocurrency is up 158% on the year-to-date charts basis, gold is up just 17%. The two assets have diverged this month, with Bitcoin gaining over 30%, gold suffering a 5.5% drop, its highest monthly decline since November 2016, according to data source TradingView. Meanwhile, global equities are on track to seal record bursting month on expectations that potential the CV virus and global shift economic recovery next year. Bitcoin needs to score gains amid potential sell-off in stocks to cement its appeal of digital gold. Okay, so rough draft there, but basically what we're going to look at on the charts is about a 700 to 1,000% gain, and how that may look on the charts too as well. So let's pull over the charts here. And folks, if y'all are brand new to our chart analysis reading, we use the market cipher indicator by CryptoFace alongside with the TI sequential by Tone Vays and the market guide buy and sell signal. So you can come over here and pick up market cipher by CryptoFace if you're interested. There's a link in the description box below, and I do believe he is still running his special as of right now too. So you can get pretty much his indicator package for up to 50% off right now. When you use the link in the description box below, you're helping support the channel. And then you can also become a reseller of Market Cipher too by clicking the, we'll come back to that, not too sure. But you can also become a reseller of Market Cipher if you're interested by filling out the information here and then being able to put your username right here. So once you click the link, you're already helping support the channel, and I really appreciate it. All right, so taking a look at the charts here, we're looking at Bitcoin really on the lower time frames, but let's start to zoom out here. You can start to see that we're pushing up all the way up to 19,100. So things are really, really bullish. 20K is right above us, not very far. If we are to push up maybe about 2% more, we'll be at 20K already. So things are probably looking really, really good for us to probably break through this by the end of the week. And even here on our 8-hour time frame, momentum waves are just steadily rising to the upside. And if we start to zoom out on our 1 day, we have a green dot there too as well. So things are definitely looking really, really good. I would imagine we'll start to get some more green dots here on these higher time frames. But what we were really wanting to look at was our weekly chart and kind of go from there. So let's zoom out just a tad bit here. We'll go into our monthly chart. That's what we're going to look at. So let's go all the way over to our monthly, see what we can find here. So we have our nice little topping out pattern here. It does look like we are ready to break that 20K relatively soon. And so what would be a 700,000% from here, or 1,000%? Well, let's just take a look. I mean, honestly, I'm gonna probably have to zoom out really, really high here, because this definitely looks like it could be a very, very high price target for us. So 700% would probably be around $157,000. Wow. And then if we had 1,000% rally, let's see, that's sitting right at about 215,000 maybe. For Bitcoin price. So those are astronomical numbers, to be honest, but that's a possibility, and we're not going to leave that out of our possibility of time frames too, or price ranges that could occur. I would say that time analysis is probably going to be the hardest thing to determine, but I don't see that those numbers are way out of possibility ranges too either. Also, I just wanted to let you know that our hash ribbons is starting to close up to here a little bit, and I would imagine that probably once we pass 20K, we'll get that buy signal on our hash ribbons, and we'll start to push up through our 20%, our $2,000 range too as well. So folks, if y'all are interested in trading with us, you can come over here and join our Patreon page. We have the link in the description box below if you want to join us on our Patreon membership page. We talk about altcoins that we're getting into, as well as how we're trading this market. So what we were looking for on our smaller time frames, and I'll go ahead and point this out for everyone, but we were looking for a break above our pivot trend line here, our green trend line and our pivot high. We were looking for a push through it and then to continue up higher. So I told the group yesterday that I wanted to find some support here, and let me see if I can pull that up for you so that way y'all can get an idea of what we share inside of the crypto, or inside of our space here. So we had our trade set up down here, and I said I was looking for a break above our pivot trend line here, and to possibly find support there too as well. And lo and behold, we got that push through our pivot trend line, held support, and continued up higher from there. So you know, if y'all are interested in seeing our trade setups too as well, join us on our Patreon page. We also have all the altcoins that we're getting into right now that we're in heavy accumulation of, because I do believe that once we pass 20K, alts are going to be taking a nice rally to the upside too as well. And you want to make sure that you're positioning yourself and that you're ready for it. And we are by all means getting ready for that altcoin rally, and it is going to be freaking epic. So come over here, join us in our Patreon membership group. Right now you can join for the year and get 10% off if you're interested. And if y'all have any questions, feel free to message me. We're on our way to 3,000 subs. Once we hit 3,000 subs, we're doing a $100 giveaway in one of our favorite altcoins. In order to qualify for the giveaway, you're going to need to be signed up for our weekly newsletter. So make sure that you come over there and join us on the CryptoTakeOver.io website. And then we'll do the drawing live once we hit 3,000 subs. But yeah, with that being said, folks, I think we're going to go ahead and end it here. Obviously, if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, we have a beginner's course, Path to Cryptocurrency. I highly recommend that you take a course if you're brand new to crypto, so that way you can indulge all the information and really just sponge it all up with one course here if you're interested. So take a look at that. And yeah, folks, it looks like we're probably going to be pushing past 20K. And, you know, I think we're going to probably see substantial gains going on into 2021 and probably have a really good Christmas for the most part. So I thank you for being here, and thank you for being a subscriber. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and share the video with your friends and family so that way they can be informed about cryptocurrency in this market as well too. And so I'll see you all in the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.